In the intricate tapestry of the human body, the kidneys play a vital role, filtering waste and toxins from our bloodstream. Our modern diets, laden with processed foods and hidden dangers, can take a toll on our kidneys, leading to a myriad of health problems. In this video, we will uncover 15 everyday habits that could be silently destroying your kidneys. From the seemingly innocuous snacks to the staples in our kitchens, we'll reveal surprising culprits that could be harming these vital organs. Join me as we delve into the science behind these dietary dangers and discover how we can make informed choices to protect our kidneys and safeguard our health. Our journey into the hidden dangers to our kidneys begins with the ubiquitous culprit processed meats. These products often involve pumping them with salt, preservatives, and artificial additives, a cocktail of chemicals that can wreak havoc on our kidneys. These added substances put an extra strain on our kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter out the excess sodium and chemical compounds. Over time, this constant strain can lead to kidney damage and increase the risk of chronic kidney disease. This is the unseen reality of what processed meats can do to our kidneys. Reducing or eliminating these processed meats from our diet is a crucial step towards protecting these vital organs. Our next stop takes us to the realm of sugary beverages, where soda reigns supreme. The high levels of sugar in soda, particularly high fructose corn syrup, can unleash a cascade of negative effects on our kidneys. This surge puts immense stress on your kidneys, which struggle to filter out the excess glucose. Over time, this constant strain can damage the delicate filtering units, increasing the risk of kidney disease. Studies have linked regular soda consumption to an increased risk of developing kidney stones, a painful condition caused by the buildup of mineral deposits in the kidneys. The high sugar content in soda can also contribute to weight gain and obesity, further increasing the burden on these vital organs. In our quest for healthier alternatives, we often turn to artificial sweeteners, hoping to satisfy our sweet cravings without the negative consequences of sugar. However, these seemingly innocent substitutes may pose a hidden threat to our kidneys. Artificial sweeteners, while devoid of calories, can disrupt the normal function of our kidneys. They interact with your kidneys, potentially altering their filtration processes and affecting their ability to regulate fluids and electrolytes. Studies have shown that regular consumption of artificial sweeteners may be associated with an increased risk of kidney decline, particularly in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Dairy products, often touted for their bone-building benefits, present a complex dilemma when it comes to kidney health. While they are a good source of calcium, an essential mineral for strong bones, excessive consumption can pose a risk to our kidneys. Dairy products also contain high levels of phosphorus, another mineral that can be harmful to kidneys, especially in large amounts. When there's an imbalance of calcium and phosphorus in our blood, our bodies try to restore the equilibrium, which can lead to calcium deposits in our kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, the high protein content in some dairy products can put extra stress on our kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter out the byproducts of protein metabolism. Our next stop is a familiar one, the world of caffeine. This stimulant, found in our morning coffee, tea, and even some chocolates, can have both beneficial and detrimental effects on our kidneys. Caffeine in moderation can actually be beneficial for kidney health. It acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and helping to flush out toxins from our kidneys. However, excessive caffeine consumption can have the opposite effect. The constant stimulation can put a strain on your kidneys. The increased blood flow and filtration rate caused by caffeine can overwork these organs, potentially leading to damage over time. Our journey takes us now to a ubiquitous ingredient found in almost every kitchen: salt. While essential for our bodies to function correctly, salt, when consumed in excess, can become a silent saboteur of our kidney health. When we consume too much salt, it disrupts the delicate balance of fluids in our body, forcing our kidneys to work overtime to flush out the excess sodium. This constant strain on our kidneys can lead to high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of kidney disease. Our exploration of kidney health takes a somber turn as we delve into the detrimental effects of alcohol. This widely consumed substance, often associated with social gatherings and relaxation, can have devastating consequences for our kidneys. Alcohol, when metabolized by the liver, produces harmful byproducts that put a significant strain on our kidneys. These organs, already working tirelessly to filter out waste products, are further burdened by the need to eliminate these toxic substances. Over time, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a condition known as alcoholic kidney disease. This condition is characterized by scarring and damage to the kidneys, impairing their ability to function properly. Protein, a vital macronutrient, is essential for building and repairing tissues in our body. However, like many things in life, moderation is key. Consuming excessive amounts of protein, often promoted by certain diets, can place a significant burden on our kidneys. When we consume protein, our bodies break it down into amino acids, which are then used for various bodily functions. However, this process also produces waste products, primarily urea, which our kidneys must filter out of the bloodstream. A high-protein diet leads to an increased production of urea, forcing our kidneys to work harder to eliminate this waste product. Our culinary journey takes a detour into the tempting world of fried foods. While these crispy treats may satisfy our taste buds, they often come at a hidden cost to our kidney health. Fried foods are typically high in unhealthy fats, particularly saturated and trans fats. These fats, when consumed in excess, can increase our risk of developing high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and heart disease, all of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. The high sodium content in many fried foods further exacerbates the problem, putting additional strain on our kidneys. In our quest for a healthier lifestyle, we often turn to fruits and vegetables as symbols of nourishment and vitality. However, even these seemingly innocent foods can harbor hidden dangers, particularly when they are not grown organically. Non-organic produce is often treated with pesticides, herbicides, and other chemicals designed to protect crops from pests and diseases. When we consume non-organic produce, we ingest these chemicals, which then enter our bloodstream. Our kidneys, responsible for filtering our blood, are then tasked with removing these toxins from our bodies. Over time, exposure to these chemicals can damage the delicate filtering units in our kidneys, compromising their ability to function effectively. In our pursuit of optimal health, we often turn to supplements, hoping to fill nutritional gaps and enhance our well-being. However, it's crucial to remember that these supplements, while marketed as beneficial, can sometimes pose risks to our kidney health. Certain vitamins and minerals, when taken in excessive amounts, can accumulate in our bodies and become toxic to our kidneys. For example, excessive intake of vitamin C, while generally considered safe, can lead to the formation of kidney stones in some individuals. Similarly, some herbal supplements, often perceived as natural and therefore harmless, can contain compounds that are harmful to our kidneys. It's essential to remember that natural does not always equate to safe. Our fast-paced modern lives often lead us down the path of convenience, with fast food restaurants becoming a regular fixture in our diets. However, this reliance on quick and easy meals can come at a hidden cost to our kidney health. Fast food is typically high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients, a trifecta of kidney stressors. The high sodium content disrupts the fluid balance in our bodies, forcing our kidneys to work harder to flush out the excess salt. This constant strain can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. The unhealthy fats in fast food, primarily saturated in trans fats, can contribute to high cholesterol, further increasing the risk of kidney problems. Grains, a staple in diets around the world, provide us with energy and essential nutrients. However, not all grains are created equal. Refined grains, stripped of their nutrient-rich bran and germ during processing, can contribute to kidney problems. Refined grains are quickly digested and absorbed into our bloodstream, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This surge in blood sugar puts stress on our kidneys, which must work harder to filter out the excess glucose. Over time, this constant strain can damage the delicate filtering units in our kidneys. In our exploration of kidney-harming foods, we encounter a lesser-known culprit, oxalate. This naturally occurring compound found in certain fruits, vegetables, and nuts can pose a threat to our kidneys when consumed in excess. Oxalate, when consumed, binds to calcium in our digestive tract. In some individuals, particularly those prone to kidney stones, High oxalate intake can lead to the formation of calcium oxalate stones in the kidneys. These stones can cause severe pain, urinary tract infections, and even kidney damage if left untreated. Our journey into the hidden threats to our kidneys culminates in a surprising revelation: the potential dangers lurking within our medicine cabinets. Over-the-counter painkillers, a staple for relieving headaches, muscle aches, and other common ailments, can have unintended consequences for our kidneys. While these medications provide much-needed relief, their frequent or prolonged use can damage the kidneys, especially in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions or those who are dehydrated. These painkillers, particularly non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen, reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste products effectively. Over time, this reduced blood flow can damage the kidneys, leading to chronic kidney disease. So, the answer to the question posed at the beginning is this: the most surprising, and perhaps most common food that harms your kidneys is not a food at all. It is the over-the-counter painkillers that many of us rely on for pain relief. As we conclude our exploration of everyday habits that can silently damage our kidneys, let us remember the vital role these organs play in maintaining our overall health. By making conscious choices about our diets and lifestyles, we can protect these precious filters and reduce our risk of developing kidney problems. Reducing our intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, unhealthy fats, and excessive protein while opting for fresh whole foods can make a world of difference. Staying hydrated, managing our weight, and being mindful of our medication use are equally important steps in safeguarding our kidney health. Let us all make a commitment to nourish and protect these vital organs, ensuring they continue to function optimally for years to come. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health insights. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.